Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I organized and decluttered this linen closet, as well as creating a cleaning trolley. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start off with removing everything from inside this closet. If you're anything like me, everything gets thrown in here. In this closet, I clean I don't know how many times a year, and it always looks so packed and cluttered. So I'm going to start off by removing everything and then adding in some organizing bins and getting rid of a lot of these things. These things just pretty much sit in here. I never use half of what's in here, so I'm going to go through everything and just donate or throw out what I don't use.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on?
So in case you're wondering, these stackable bins are from Dollarama. I was going to label them, but I decided not to, just because I could be changing what goes in them from time to time. But you'll see here that most of the items that I am filling it up with are some stuff that are from Dollarama. First bin is hand sanitizers, that's from Bath & Body Works. Second one is wax melts. Third one is those plug-in air fresheners. The ones at the top have Kleenex and then lint rollers, and then the last one here just has feminine hygiene products.
So why we trying to hide from trust? We could just leave. We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Yeah, seems like a back goes down the go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. People are nice, but it's only for the tips. The weather's fine, but it's nothing I would miss. My only friends are the ones I left behind. Wish I could see them just for a moment. 'Cause I don't know anybody here, it's awfully lonely. I smile, but they just stare. And I see misery everywhere, it's getting to me. I cry, but they don't care. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way too loud. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean, yet too small to fit the crowd. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. No, I'm not a city girl. No. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and there's nowhere I can hide. 'Cause I'm not a city girl. Keep to yourself, and I promise you'll be fine. That's what my mom said when I was moving out. If you need a hand, they will take two in return.
So my plan for the bottom shelf here is to remove it, and I'm going to be installing my vacuum in here. I'm going to wall mount it, and then also I'm going to be making a cleaning trolley, just something that I can roll around when I'm cleaning like the bedrooms, the bathroom, and I can just drag it around the house with me instead of going back and forth to get the cleaning products. This just made it so much easier. We've used it a few times, and even my kids are loving using this thing. They find it a lot easier just taking it to the room, and everything is just right there where you need it.
No, I'm not a city girl. No. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and there's nowhere I can hide. 'Cause I'm not a city girl.
Are interested in this trolley, I'll leave it in the description box below. I got this one from Michael's. It was from my craft room, but I wasn't really using it, so I decided to bring it up here and create this fun idea. I'm just using my Cricut here to label the bottom shelf of the trolley with all the bathrooms, just so my kids don't get mixed up of what to use in the bedrooms and the bathrooms. My kids are all older, but I just wanted to label it just to be sure that they wouldn't use the stuff that was meant for the bathroom.
Let me be right by your side, 'cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are alone.
So I found these spray bottles at Walmart. They were $3.98 each, and you just buy the little refills for them. I had never seen them before. They're called Brainwash, and you just pour those little packages into the bottles, add water, and that's your cleaning product. I don't know if this is good. I've never used it before, but
If it was only me and you. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. Think of the things we do. If it was only me and you.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was really excited to do this. I thought this was a pretty cool idea. I hope you decide to make it, and if you do, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time there is a new video. Thanks again guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye!